Hey everybody, Michael the Tutor 16 here. Today I'm going to be doing tutorial number 25 in Microsoft Word. And the topics for discussion in this tutorial will be that I'm going to show you how to build a macro in Microsoft Word. This will also be a good reminder on how to add the Developer tab to your ribbon toolbar that we learned in tutorial number 3. And it'll also be a good reminder on how to add a shortcut icon to the Quick Access toolbar that we learned in tutorial number 2. The advantages of using macros in Microsoft Word will be that these will save you time by quickly being able to run a repetitive action when creating and working in your Microsoft Word document. So let's go into Microsoft Word and I'll show you how to build a macro. As you can see, I've gone into Microsoft Word, and today I'm going to show you how to build a macro. Macros are nothing more than repetitive keystrokes that you use to perform a specific task. Let's say that you have a letter and you want to type a salutation at the end of each letter that you're going to send to your customers. You can type in sincerely with a comma, then press enter 2 times and then type your name. Or you can record a macro that when you run the macro by clicking on the button, it'll automatically enter these keystrokes for you. So let's let Microsoft Word do the work for us. So to build a macro, you need to make sure that you have a Developer tab in your ribbon toolbar. And as you can see, I don't have one, and you probably don't have one either. So go over and click on the File tab in your ribbon toolbar and go down to Options. Once in Options, on the left-hand side, highlight and click on Customize Ribbon. After you do this, go over to the right-hand side and you'll see Developer. You'll need to put a check mark in this box. Once the check mark is in, press OK, and your Developer tab will now be entered in your ribbon toolbar. When you click on your Developer tab, under the Code section of Microsoft Word, you'll see all of your commands for your macros. Now I'm going to click on Record Macro 1 time, and it's going to prompt me to name my macro. It's going to ask me to assign it as a button or as a shortcut to my keyboard, and it's also going to give me an area to put my description. I'm going to leave my macro name as Macro 1, but I would highly recommend that you give all of your macros descriptive names. So if you're building a macro for your salutation, name it salutation. Once you name your macro, I usually assign it to a button because this will put it as a shortcut icon in my Quick Access toolbar. So I'm going to click on button, and when I do this, it'll bring up another box with my macro in the left-hand side. I'm going to highlight it 1 time and I'm going to click on add, and this will add it to my other shortcut icons that are already available to me in my Quick Access toolbar. So once it's over here in this right-hand side, go down and click on OK, and now you can see that the shortcut for the macro is up here in your Quick Access toolbar. And as you hover over it, you should see the name of the macro. Now if you move your cursor back to your document, you should also see a little cassette tape, and this means that all of your keystrokes are now being recorded. So if I wanted to type in my salutation, I'm going to bring up my online keyboard and just type in the word sincerely. Then I'm going to type in a comma, and then I'm going to press enter 2 times, and then I'm going to type in my name. Now you can use your last name if you want, but to save time, I'm just going to put my first name in. Now that my salutation has been entered, I can go up and click on Stop Recording. Now my macro is finished. So if I go down to my second page, and if I wanted to put my salutation here, I would put my cursor where I want the salutation to start. I'm going to go up to my Quick Access toolbar and click on the macro button 1 time. And now you can see that my salutation has been entered for me. So macros will definitely save you a lot of time and a lot of frustration. So that's how you build macros within Microsoft Word. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscription button on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. If you have any questions or comments, please send them to me and I'll be more than happy to answer them. I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching.